Let's be honest, hearing that a new 2026 RAV4 GR Sport is coming is quite exciting and confusing. Like, what does this GR Sport title entails, and will it be Toyota's first performance-driven SUV? Well, this video will explain all of that by comparing it to the GR Corolla. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on that notification. The GR Corolla comes with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine producing 300 horsepower. Unlike the Supra or the 86, this engine was produced by Toyota, making the Corolla a prime example of what a Toyota performance-driven car looks like. It comes standard with all-wheel drive and starts at $38,860 to $47,515. The RAV4 GR Sport's powertrain is a bit more complicated than the Corolla. Its 2.5-liter 4-cylinder plug-in hybrid produces a whopping 320 horsepower. Like the Corolla, this too is only available in all-wheel drive, but it gets much better MPG rating of 40 city, 36 highway, and 50 miles range on its electric motor. As a performance car, the Corolla is available with a 6-speed manual for all the gearheads out there to be able to shift gears as if they are in a Fast and Furious movie. Its GR-Four all-wheel drive is also rally inspired with adjustable torque split, while its suspension is tuned for the track. On top of all that, the car comes available with deeply bolstered sports seats to keep your butt in place while taking the tight corners. Compared to the RAV4, the Corolla ditches most comfort features like ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, and power tailgates. Minimalizing on weight, the cabin is also louder and the ride is firmer, especially on performance tires. Also, Corollas are usually known for fuel efficiency, but this one can't compare to the RAV4's hybrid powertrain. Obviously, the RAV4 is going to win in the spacious and practical aspect, as it not only provides more rear seat room, but cargo space and height. The GR Sport also comes with better technology like a 12.9-inch infotainment screen and over-the-air update. Oh, it also comes with Toyota's latest Safety Sense 4.0, while the Corolla is still stuck on 3.0. So, as it turns out, the RAV4 doesn't come with any performance-oriented features. Yeah, it has over 300 horsepower and the suspension is firmer than other RAV4s, but it doesn't have track mode or the motorsport DNA. Its larger size in comparison to the Corolla's nimble and lightweightness makes it feel sluggish as well. It doesn't even have normal climate controls that we all love in all Toyotas. So, despite having GR badges, the GR Sport RAV4 doesn't have any performance-oriented features that other GR cars like the GR Corolla has. While the RAV4 does come with a stiffer suspension, a higher output engine, as well as more space so you can deliver more tofu, you will definitely not be able to deliver them as fast as a rival in a car like the GR Corolla. Man, I really hope this is a sign that Toyota will actually make a GR RAV4 though. Alright, well that'd be all for my comparison between the new RAV4 GR Sport and the GR Corolla. Let me know down below what you all think, and I'll see you next time.